Hi friends, what's up? This is our Sai Technologies. This is our contact numbers. Two contact numbers is there. This is servicing computers, sales and servicing, laptops, providing sales and servicing, laptops and desktops and adapters, motherboards, batteries, repairs, screens, inverters, laptop keyboards, replacing and printers. Hi friends, what's up? This is your tech day. Today I will explain how to repair wireless plug and play adapter. This is wireless TechCom wireless 50 Mbps data. This is not working. Now I will open and check what are the defective. I will explain and I will repair this one. Please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel Tech Dot. Now I will open this Wi-Fi adapter. I remove this locking system. This is open. This is the don't touch this circuit. Now I will remove this PCB, this socket. This USB pins are there. One pin is broken. One pin is broken. This place I will solder. These two pins are broken. After that soldering finishing, these two pins are broken. I will solder this. After that soldering finish, I will check is Wi-Fi connector or not. I will check. Now I will solder this pins broken this circuit board. If you want solder that pins, you want to require some soldering paste, wax paste and lead in 40 to 60% lead is required. This lead bundle. After that is temperature control micro. So this one is the micro shoulder machine. This is the power off on button. This is a temperature up and down knob. It is rotate and minimum starts low temperature. After you take lead piece, this is the lead piece. You take soldering also. This is the lead piece. This lead piece. You check soldering your heat or not. First you increase some temperature. Now rotate. Take this USB soldering purpose. This takes 1 or 2 minutes to melt this lead. It is taken. Now I will solder this one. This PC. Now I will solder. I will solder this PC. will solve this one. Now I will finish the soldering. Now I'll check this working or not. Burr వస్తుందేమ్రా కెమెరా. Zoom in. This is the surgical. This one is the surgical spirit. I will take old toothbrush and take some dip in this. After that, I will clean that soldering PCB. This place gently. After it's dry up, you want to fix this one and check this one working or not. Now I will fix this PCB after soldering completing. As I insert, this is the back cover of this PCB. You see it. You take this gently. Insert this one. Inside is the one lock is there. This lock is notching lock. This PCB is in the portion. This is the starting position. Now I will fix this top cover. This is the front side. This notch is the back. This notch is the back side. I'll fix this one gently and press. One locking sound is coming. This both sides. Now I will check this is working or not. I'll fix this one all sides.